Alright, so we have Aditi, Sami, Mandeep, Asher, Sanvi, Syanvi, Yaganya, Salmi and myself in the class. Okay, so we'll get started. So just a quick announcement. Like I said, we will not have class tomorrow and the weekend following tomorrow. So basically 28th, 29th we will not have the class. I will disappear for a week and then we'll resume the classes from 4th of January. Okay, and I'm hoping that you guys also have plans for Christmas and New Year, so enjoy it, stay safe, have fun, but yeah, make sure that taking good care of your health and staying safe. Yep, yeah, Mandeep.
So you are gonna not be here on Sunday, and you're gonna be here on next Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, have a show. So I'll be not there from 22nd till 2nd of January. So all the weekends that falls from tomorrow till 2nd of January, you will not see me. I mean, I'll be mostly on the road. So that's why I'll not be able to take the classes. But that eventually will become a break for you guys, and it will be a break for me also to charge my battery. Yep. Alright, so let's get started. So let's see who all are here. We have Aditi, Asher, Mandeep, Vaishu, Sanvi, Sami, Salmi, Syanvi and Yaganya. And we have Nate in the class. Come on in. So, and Nihan also has joined now. Let me do one thing. I will close the door because it's cold. But once your parents are here, you know how it's home, right? Okay. Feel free. Yeah, I keep you warm till you are here. Alright. So today being a Saturday and last day of the year from a class point of view, we'll keep it light. I'll not get you guys stressed out much, but we'll make sure that we practice tables for sure, and then we'll learn something. Yeah? So, who all are ready with the tables? Everybody? Okay. Let's go to Mandeep. So Mandeep had raised hand quickly, so I'll go to Mandeep and then go to everybody else. Yeah, Mandeep, table till?
12.
8 9 ja.
72.
9 9 ja.
81.
12 7 ja.
What?
12 7 ja.
84.
7 6 ja.
42.
12 8 ja.
96.
Good job. So let's go to Sami. Sami, table till?
12.
8 9 ja.
32.
9 9 ja.
81.
7 5 ja.
35.
2 9 ja.
18.
12 7 ja.
84.
7 6 ja.
42.
8 8 ja.
64.
Good job. Let's go to Yaganya. Yaganya, ready?
Yeah.
Table till?
12.
12 5 ja.
60.
7 9 ja.
What's it?
7 9 ja.
63.
12 7 ja.
What's it?
12 7 ja.
84.
9 6 ja.
54.
12 9 ja.
108.
7 7 ja.
49.
6 9 ja.
54.
Good job. Aditi, ready? Aditi, are you ready? Table till? 5 9 ja. Little louder, but I cannot hear you. 5 9 ja? 9 7 ja. 12 6 ja. 9 4 ja. 4 8 ja. 12 10 ja. Good job. Let's go to Sanvi. You can open it right here. So table till
11, sir.
8 8 ja. Just 1 second. Okay. 8 8 8 ja.
64.
9 7 ja.
63.
11 9 ja.
99.
6 9 ja. 6 9 ja.
54.
9 9 ja.
81.
11 8 ja.
88.
Good job. So let's go to Nihit. Nihit, are you ready?
Yeah.
Table till
6.
5 4 ja.
20.
5 9 ja.
45.
6 4 ja.
24.
4 8 ja.
32.
3 9 ja.
27.
4 7 ja.
28.
5 7 ja.
35.
6 9 ja.
54.
Okay, let me come here. Good job. I'm happy that you are memorizing tables, okay? Now you have to keep on practicing, but because now you are still taking a little bit of time, and that time can be minimized with practice only. Okay, so keep practicing that, and I'm sure you'll make me happier. Good job. Let's go to Nihan. So all of you, right, who are joining online, I cannot pat your back. So the only kid who is in the classroom, when he answered it all right, I went to physically pat his back. So that's why I was not on the screen. Okay, Nihan, ready?
Yes.
Table till
14.
13 5 ja.
65.
14 9 ja.
126.
12 8 ja.
96.
6 9 ja.
54.
9 7 ja.
63.
6 9 ja.
54.
12 8 ja.
96.
9 9 ja.
81.
Good job. So Mandeep, you have one more student joining with you? No? Okay. Alright. So let's go to Vaishu. Vaishu, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till
12.
6 9 ja.
54.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 9 ja.
81.
7 9 ja.
63.
11 8 ja.
88.
12 4 ja.
48.
12 7 ja.
84.
8 9 ja.
72.
Good job. So I will suggest everybody who has shared the tables, you guys have memorized the tables. So that's something which makes me very happy. Okay, I will take that as my Christmas gift. That makes me really happy. Okay, as a teacher, when I see the students doing their job, I cannot express how happy that it makes the teacher, right? But I would suggest each one of you, all the tables that you have memorized, stick to that. Don't go beyond. Okay. So like for Nihan, you have memorized table till 14, and you'll be surprised to know that not even kids in the 11th grade know the table till 14. I mean, not majority of the students. Okay, that's a fact. So don't go way too far, but make sure that till 14 you answer like this. That should be the goal. Okay. As long as you guys master table till 12, 13, maximum to 14 by end of the school year, you are way ahead of your grade or even your seniors. Okay. Let's go to Asher. Asher, table till?
11.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 7 ja.
63.
7 9 ja.
63.
6 5 ja.
6 5 6 5 30.
8 8 ja.
8 8 64.
11 9 ja.
11 9 99.
Good job. Sami, you have not shared the tables yet? Or you did?
Oh, sorry, my hand stayed up.
Ah, okay, that's fine. I mean, I was just curious. Yep, Salmi. Salmi was not speaking so far. Yes, Salmi. Ready?
Yeah, table till 12.
Okay, 8 9 ja.
72.
7 9 ja.
63.
12 9 ja.
108.
9 5 ja.
45.
4 8 ja.
32.
12 7 ja.
84.
Good job. Shriyanvi, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till?
12.
8 8 ja.
64.
7 5 ja.
35.
12 6 ja.
What, sir?
12 6 ja.
72.
7 9 ja.
63.
8 5 ja.
40.
9 9 ja.
81.
12 9 ja.
108.
Good job. So anybody in the class who has not shared the tables yet? So let me check. Aradhya, your turn, beta. Yaditi, you have shared your tables.
I know, but I arrived home, so I need to connect to my iPad.
That's okay. That's fine. So Aradhya, are you ready? Aradhya, I cannot hear you. Now I can hear you. Are you ready with the tables?
Yeah.
Table till?
7.
Okay. 6 5 ja.
30.
5 9 ja.
45.
3 8 ja.
24.
7 5 ja.
35.
6 8 ja.
48.
Good job. 5 9 5 9 ja. 45 I asked you. 4 9 ja.
16.
4 9 ja.
36.
Good job. So see, that's what you all will notice. Okay, when you start tables, initially it looks like a tiring job, but when you start practicing it daily 5 minutes, this is the easiest thing to do, and your life becomes much easier with that. Okay, now Yamandeep.
I practice 1 hour.
I'm sorry.
I practice 1 hour every day.
1 hour, that's a lot of effort, but yeah, 5 minutes should be more than enough. I mean, I will leave it for you guys, but 5 minutes, I mean 2 tables every day. Honestly, if you spend 10 minutes with full focus, that'll make you champion actually in 3 to 4 months. Okay? Alright. Now, as I said, so today's class will be a little lighter class. So we'll not try learning a lot of things to get stressed out, because I'm not going to give you guys homework also during Christmas and New Year, right? You want the New Year to be much lighter, much happier. So we will look at some interesting stuff. So in the previous class, we learned about how to multiply decimals. Everybody is comfortable, right? Nobody has any doubt. Is that correct?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay. Everybody is comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. Salmi, Sami, Asher, Aradhya,
Yes.
everybody?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, let me show you guys something interesting. If I say multiply now, I'm going to show you guys the power of tables, okay? If I say multiply this, everybody knows how to multiply this, right? What will you guys do? 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. So 2 5s are 10, you will write a 0 here. Yeah. Yeah, Vaishu.
Where's the decimal point? I can't see it.
There's no decimal point. There's no decimal. I'm just showing you guys the power of tables, okay? So that just for a little bit. Nobody teaches this. I'm just explaining you know how you can, when you learn more and more tables, you can leverage the power of it to fast track your calculation also. So I'm just doing a simple calculation, the most orthodox way, and then I'll show you guys a trick. So we have to multiply 1 5 6 5, let's say, with a 12. Okay? So 2 5 are 10, you will write a 0, 1 carry forward, 2 6 are 12, plus 1 13, 1 carry forward, 2 5 are 10, plus 1 11, 1 carry forward, 2 1 are 2, plus 1 3. And then 1 5 are 1, you leave 1 place. Yeah. So I don't care about the answer. So okay. So I'm just showing you guys a trick, okay? So 1 5 are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 1 are 1. And then you say 0, 3 5 8, 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 3 8, 1. You got this answer after doing all this. Now, almost all of you, okay, have learned table till 12, and some of you are getting there. Now if you have something like this, 12, you can also go straight away, use 12 as a number. 12 5 is 60, right? 6 carry forward. 12 6 is 72 plus 6, 78, 7 carry forward. 12 5 is 60 plus 7, 67, 6 carry forward. 12 1 is 12 plus 6, 18. See how quick that was.
So if you use that method, you don't have to do any like adding.
No adding, no true time thing.
No. Okay.
I mean, again, you will not get problems like this to solve. But what I'm saying is, when you're doing calculation, if you are empowered with your knowledge of tables, you can leverage that to save a lot of time. So the original method, I would suggest stick to the original method for sure. But then, this is a trick that you can apply when you are pressed for time. Let's look at this. If I say multiply this by this. Now imagine how much time it's going to take. I can reduce the whole effort by half. How? Look at this. I know the table of 10, I know the table of 12 also. I can do that in 2 steps. I'll pick 10. 10 5 is 50. 5 carry forward. 10 6 is 60 plus 5, 65. 6 carry forward. 10 5 is 50 plus 6, 56. 5 carry forward. 10 1 is 10 plus 5, 15. These two are done. Now I'm going to third one, meaning two numbers are done already in one go. So I'm going to third one, meaning two places I've already used. I'll start from third one. Now you pick 12. 12 5 is 60. 6 carry forward. 12 6 is 72 plus 6 78. 7 carry forward. 12 5 is 60 plus 7. 6 carry forward. 12 1 is 12 plus 6 18. Add them. Yeah. Only thing that you have to be careful about is if you are using two numbers together, you have to be mindful of the fact that when you start this one will start from the third place. So you cannot start from here. Otherwise, the whole thing will go for a toss. Yeah. So this was more like a trick, an easy trick that you can use whenever you want to save some time. I mean, if you have an opportunity. Let's say if somebody is talking about 4879, you have no other choice but to go the original method. Yeah. Unless you want to memorize table till 79 or 80. Yeah. Make sense? Was it interesting one? Okay. Shanvi, not interesting? Tell me.
I already knew how to do it.
Okay. Yeah, sure. You were saying something.
So this method,
Uh-huh.
it says 79 and 48.
Yeah.
So, like, minus 79, we can multiply by the numbers on top, right?
Yeah. So when 79 and 48, I mean you will go the original method, right? Multiply this with all the numbers, then shift one place, multiply this with all the numbers, shift one place, multiply this with all the numbers, shift one place. So you have to do the original method, okay? I was just saying that this is more of a trick that you can use to exercise your power of tables whenever you have a chance. Yeah?
Okay.
Alright. So, now in today's class we'll not learn anything new, okay? That's what I promised myself and to you guys. But then we will look at our understanding of the percentage, because we learned percentage and we have not practiced that enough. And if you guys get comfortable with percentage, then that would mean that we can start a second iteration of everything that we have learned, and after 3 months I can say that okay, you guys are done with all your preparation for up to 5th grade. Whoever wants to start 6th grade, they can jump onto 6th grade or continue for 2 more months and then start the next grade from next year. Yeah. So let's look at percentage. So we learned about percentage, right? Percentage, as we understood, percentage is out of 100. If I say 10% discount, that means $10 discount for a price of $100. Now, and that is simple English, as I said. If somebody says find out 20% of something, so 20% of something, this is how you calculate. So let's do few percentage problems and see how comfortable you are, and then based on that I will decide what to teach, how to explain. Okay, so let's solve one problem. Okay, hear me out clearly. I'm going to say the question now. Okay, Nike shoe. Nike is my favorite brand, right? Tran has N into it, which says N stands for Nike, which is just do it. So now the question is related to Nike shoe. Let's say Nike says that I will give 15% discount on every shoe during Christmas and New Year. Nike is giving 15% discount on every shoe on the occasion of Christmas and New Year. If you picked up a shoe which is priced at $75, how much you have to pay? I'm repeating the question again. Hear me out clearly. Nike is giving 15% discount on every shoes. 15% discount. If you picked up a shoe which is priced at $75, how much you have to pay for that pair of shoe? Calculate and tell me. So 15% discount on every shoe, on every pair of shoe. If you picked up a shoe which is priced at $75, meaning the price tag says $75, how much you have to pay for buying this shoe? Calculate and tell me. How do you calculate? Okay. So everybody trying? Is everybody trying? Yes or no? Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this. 15% discount. Okay. Meaning you'll get $15 back if you buy something for $100. Okay. That's what is percentage. So if you look at this as an English, 15% of the price. Can you calculate this? Calculate this and tell me how much it is. Yep.
The answer is $5.
$5. Okay, let me read my question one more time. Nike is up. Okay, and I'm just repeating my question one more time, okay? So that whoever has gone a different direction can come back. Nike is giving 15% discount on every shoe in the store. If there is a shoe priced at $75, how much I have to pay for buying that shoe?
I got the answer.
Okay, how much it is?
60.
$60, okay? So, yeah, Vaishu, how much is your answer?
Mine was $63.75.
How much you said? Minus 63.
No. $63.75.
Okay. So 60 and 63.75. Okay. How about you, Aditi? How much did you get?
75.
Okay.
I didn't get my answer yet, but what is the main question?
Question is, Nike is offering 15% discount on the occasion of Christmas and New Year. If there is a shoe where the price tag says $75, how much do I have to pay for buying that pair of shoes? And this is a very practical question because you all will have to deal with discounts. Yep, yeah, Mandeep, you got how much?
40.
40. Okay, yeah, Gautam.
I got $65.25.
65 and 25 cents, okay?
$64.25.
Okay,
I got $35.25.
okay. See how diverse you guys are. This is called unity in diversity. Okay. Asher, you have raised your hand. You have to share another answer?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to offer.
That's okay. Anybody else? So, see, now, one thing to notice here is everybody has got different answers. That means many people are wrong. And if you don't want to be wrong, make sure that you evaluate your answer, review what you have done. Okay? You might find the solution or the reason for the difference by yourself. Yes, Yanvi.
I got $35.25.
Okay. And again, the question is, how much do I have to pay for the shoe which is priced at $75?
Okay.
And if you don't calculate it right, you might end up paying more than what you're supposed to pay, or maybe less. So if the shopkeeper has weak math, then you'll get advantage. If your math is weak, then the shopkeeper will take a ride. Let's see. Okay, alright. So all jokes apart, let's try solving it, okay? Yeah, Nihan. Yeah,
I got $62.50.
okay. How about you, Aditi? You raise your hand again.
I don't usually know the answer, and my mom doesn't know how to solve it.
That's okay. We'll solve it together. That's why. See, I mean, this is a practical problem, okay? We all have to learn the discount thing because this is the Christmas time. There'll be a lot of deals going on. Yeah, Salni.
My answer is $68.34.
Okay. Let's see what Sammy says.
My answer is $39.75.
Okay. Alright. So now you guys have given me the reason to say those, what do you call, the most not so light statement. I don't trust you guys because I don't know whom to trust. There's so many options. So what will I do is, I will solve it myself, and on a serious note, it's always an idea. You can get answers from different people, but it's always a wise idea to solve it yourself. Now I'm solving it like a student. I have changed my hat from a teacher to a student. I'm a student now. So the question is, Nike is offering 15% discount on each and every shoe that you buy. If there is a shoe price at $75, how much do I have to pay for buying it? That's the question. So as I say, read the question again and again. So I'm reading it one more time. Nike is giving 15% discount on every shoe. If there is a shoe price at $75, how much I have to pay? Now, I have read the question a couple of times. What is going on in my mind? Okay, Nike is giving discount, meaning whatever the discount, that money I have to take out from the price. So let's say 75 is the price written on the shoe tag, on the shoe. So whatever is the discount, let's say there's a $10 discount, I have to pay 75 minus 10, meaning 65. Now I don't know yet how much is my discount. Yeah. So this is the price, and whatever is my calculated discount, I will deduct from this amount, and that is the money I have to pay. Is this part clear to everybody? Everybody? Aditi, are you with me?
Yes.
Now, so discount, that's a simple thing. Whatever the discount, that money you have to deduct from the actual price. That's the deal. Yeah? Now, this is what you have to find out. Is it 10 or is it 50? Is it 75? Let's figure it out. Now, it says 15% discount on everything. Meaning, what? 15% discount on everything. What is my price? 75. So I have to 15% of 75. I have to find out. That is my discount amount. This is the discount that I will get. So 15% of 75. This is my total discount amount. Meaning this is what will be taken out from my price. Now do the tic-tac-toe here. 15 into 75 divided by 100. Let's play. 15 I can write as 5 into 3, and 75 I can write as 15 into 5. Let's see what happens. Here I have 100, I can write as 5 into 20, and then this 20 becomes 5 into 4. So I have just broken this into smaller piece, smallest possible piece that I could do. This 5 and this 5 gone, this 5 and this 5 tic-tac-toe. Now what I have? 15 into 3 divided by 4. 15 3s are 45 by 4. Now let's find out 45 divided by 4. So let's divide 45 by 4. 4 1s are 4. This is gone. 5 comes down. 4 1s are 4. 1 remaining. Now 1 is smaller than 4. Who comes to help me?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken. Decimal.
Decimal. Puts a 0. Chicken lays 1 egg here now. 4 2 ja 8. What is remaining? 2. Chicken gives 1 more egg. That becomes 20. 4 5 ja 20. Meaning 11.25. So by doing all this calculation with this guy, my total amount is 11.25. Meaning for $75 shoe, I am getting this much discount. What does it mean? Meaning what my price written was $75. $75. And I am getting this much discount. So 75 minus 11.25. So let's do that. 75.00 divided by 11.25. I assume you guys know how to subtract decimals, right? So this becomes okay. Shani, you might want to go on mute. Okay. So now 10 minus 5 is 5. Now it becomes, see here. I believe you guys know how to subtract decimals, but anyways, I'm doing it. This is 0. I cannot do that. I have to borrow 1 from this guy. This also doesn't have anything. It borrows from one from here. So this 1 comes here. So this becomes 10. And from this 10, I'm borrowing 1. So this becomes 10 and this becomes 9. This is 9 now. So this is 10 minus 5 is 5. Now this is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. And then this from this 5 we had borrowed 1. So this became 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then this 7 minus 1 is 6. 63.75. Whoever got 63.75, that was the right answer. And again, if I repeat the whole thing that I did, it's very simple. You have to always look at the question first, says 15% discount. So the discount is always on the price written on the product that you're trying to buy. So price written was 75. So 15% of 75 is what you are getting as a discount. So we calculate 15% of 75. This is my discount amount, meaning this is the money that will be reduced from the price that I have to pay. So my price written was 75 and I am getting this much discount. So 75 minus 11.25. This value will be the price that we have to pay for buying that shoe. Is that clear now?
Yes.
Is everybody clear?
Yes.
Does everybody know why for some of us the answer was different? Meaning, were you able to do review of what you had done before? Yeah, Gautam.
I subtracted incorrectly.
Right. No, so I'm not trying to pinpoint anybody, and that is certainly not the intent. What I'm trying to do is, see, I'll tell you guys one thing shamelessly, okay? In the last class, when I was teaching kids from 9 to 12, I made a big mistake, very big mistake, okay? I'll show you guys what I did. I was trying to find out the value of minus x square, okay? When x equals to 1 or minus 1. What I was doing was, I was putting this value minus 1 and then getting the value. But the thing is, there has to be minus here before this. So whatever is the x square and you have minus here. And I was kind of ignoring that part and going wrong. So it happens. All these kind of problems could happen. That's why review is very important. Once you are done with your calculation, always spend those 30 seconds, 40 seconds to just go through it. Say, okay, fine. This was the question. This is what. Okay, fine. It looks to be okay. So when you do that review, what will happen is, if you, let's say in exam you have solved 10 questions, you might want to save 5 minutes to just quickly do a glance of what you have done. And if there's any mistake like this that you have done, you might be able to correct it and get it right. Okay, so reviewing is a very good habit, trust me. Yeah, Gautam, you're saying something? Yeah.
Sorry, I was like accidentally.
That's okay. Yaditi.
Like it was just so there. I accidentally pressed it.
That's okay. That's okay. I was just curious to see if anybody has a question. Yeah. Yaditi.
Oh, that's okay. That's it. I'm so sorry.
That's fine. It's okay. Not to worry. It's Christmas time. Nobody will feel bad, good. I mean, you can feel good, but don't feel bad. You don't have to say sorry for the small things. That's fine. All right. Now coming back to what is that we have learned today. Most important thing is review. Getting into the habit of review. Whatever you solve, always keep 10 seconds, 15 seconds just to go through what you have done. You will see a lot of merit in that exercise, because when you do something, when you learn something, it doesn't guarantee you being right. Okay? Even if you know something like A, B, C, D, you might go wrong if you are being little careless or if you have had an oversight. Okay, so review that. Review things. I mean, now, later, whenever. Okay, make sure that review is part of your habit. That's what I would recommend. Okay, all right. Now, on the percentage thing, whatever I did on the board, were you able to follow? Everybody? Yes, I may.
No, I didn't get it too much.
You did not get it? Okay.
No.
Let's do it one more time. My practice makes everybody perfect. So we'll do practice. So, you remember the question, right? Now it's my turn to bore you guys. You all have heard me talk about TRAN, right? Trust, read, analyze, and then Nike. Just do it. So doing it is the last event. Trust is your part of your personality. That yes, I trust myself, that if anybody in the world can solve a problem, that is me. That's how you have to always think for yourself. Okay? Now reading the question again and again. So that's what we'll do now. So what was the question? I'm reading it again. The question says, Nike is giving 15% discount on every shoe in the store. 15% discount on every shoe in the store. That's the first line of the question. Yeah? Is that okay, Sami, so far?
Yes, sir.
Now, the second line says, if there is a shoe priced at $75, meaning when you went to the store, when you were walking in the aisle, you saw a shoe that you liked and the price tag is $75. Yep. The question is, the third line of the question is, how much you have to pay for buying this shoe? Yeah, sure.
Can I have a restaurant?
Sure. So, now again, I'm stuck here. I'm reading it again and again, okay? And trust me, when you read the question a couple of times, you will see question becomes half difficult or maybe 1/3 difficult. So, reading it again. Nike is giving 15% discount on everything in the store. A shoe that is priced at $75, how much you have to pay for buying it? That's the question. I've read it 2-3 times. You guys would have gotten bored and tired now. Yeah? Sami, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So, now I have read the question and I trust myself. So do you guys. Now comes A, meaning you're analyzing, you're thinking about it. So, this says that there's a 15% discount on everything. Everything. So, I'm picking up something for 75. So, there's a shoe that you like is priced at $75. How much you have to pay? You have to pay 75? No. You have to pay the discounted price. Meaning 75 minus something. Okay? That will be the price that you have to pay. Yeah? Let's say X. You have to pay 75 minus X. and that will be the price that you have to pay if you want to take the shoe home. Yeah. Now we want to find out what is this value, meaning how much is the discount. I know 15% discount, but how much? Is it $15? Is it $2? Is it $10? Don't know. You have to calculate. So 15% discount. 15% of the price. It's always of the price of 75. Because you picked up a shoe for 75. So this will be the discount. If you pick up a shoe for 500, this will be the discount. If you pick up a shoe which is priced at $250, this will be the discount. Whatever is coming from the calculation will be a discounted amount. And that money you have to deduct from this is what you have to pay. Is this part clear? So, when I am doing the analysis, I am saying, okay, my analysis is okay. 75 minus whatever the discount is what I have to pay. Now, I have to find out how to find out the discount. Now I know 15% of the price. So 15% of the price. So I know, as part of my analysis, I am thinking, okay, I know how to calculate 15% of 75. So let me calculate that, and that will give me the total value that I have to pay. So far I have not done any calculation. I am just thinking in my mind that, okay, this is my price. I have to find out 15% of the price and subtract that amount from 75. That will be the price that I have to pay to the shopkeeper to walk away from the store. Yep. Now, so we are trying to find out this value. 15 divided by 100, 15% of 75. This is what we are trying to find out. Now, how do you do? You do tic-tac-toe. 15 into 75 divided by 100. That is what you are trying to do. Now, 15 you can write as 5 into 3. And 75 you can write as 15 into 5. Divided by 100. 100 you can write as 5 into 20. Yeah? So let's do this. 5 into 20. Now, see, with tic-tac-toe, you don't have to do the final calculation always. You can do step by step also. So I did 5 into 20. This is where I left. Now, this 5 and this 5 I can do tic-tac-toe. What I'm left with? 5 into 15 into 5 divided by 20. 20 I can write as 5 into 4 again. Yeah? Now, 1 5 and this 5 I can do tic-tac-toe. What I'm left with? 15 into 5 by 4. Yeah? This becomes 15 times 5, 75 by 4. Did I do something wrong last time? I think I did.
Yeah.
I did some wrong calculation, I believe. So
I
see,
think it was 45.
it was 45. So probably something I made some mistake actually. Okay? So good. See, so now when I'm doing it second time, there's a benefit for all of us, right? So doing the review or doing it again doesn't do any harm. Now, and whoever got 63.75 like me probably made the same mistake. So look at it. Now 75 divided by 4. So 75. Is it? Yep. Yeah, Mandeep? Mandeep, you're talking on mute and you have raised your hand.
Is the answer 45?
I don't really care about the answer. I care about the steps. Let's focus on this one, okay? We'll come to that. So, dividing 75 by 4. 4 1 is 4. What do I get? 3. And then 5 comes down. 4 8 is 32. 3 remaining. Now 3 is smaller than 4. So then chicken comes to help us. 3 becomes 30. So 30. So 4 7 is 28. What is remaining? 5. No, 4, sorry, 2. And then chicken gives one more egg. 4 5 are 20. You got 18.75. So 18.75, no, it cannot be possible. Oh, now I know. Mandeep, you're upside down. Mandeep, your camera is upside down. Now I know what I'm doing wrong this time and what was right last time. See, this was 15. 15 is not 5 into 5. It's 3 into 5. Yep. So look at this. Let's do this calculation one more time. So 15 is 3 times 5. 75 is 15 times 5. So now this 5 and this 5 is gone. What we are left with? 3 into 5 into 15. Divide by 20. 20 is 4 times 5. Now this 5 and this 5 gone. That becomes 15 3 are 45 divided by 4. And that's what was the right answer. So whoever got 63.75 is right. I was also right, but I am making mistake. That's okay. Now 4 1 are 4.
Answer.
5 comes here. 4 1 are 4. 1. So 1 is smaller than 4. So chicken gives you 1 egg. So 4 2s are 8. 2 remainder. Decimal gives 1 more egg. 4 5s are 20. So your discount is 11. So basically, Sami, if you look at this one, whatever we are doing is just to find out what is 15% of 75. 15% of 75. And we are doing this tic-tac-toe and everything to find out what is 15% of 75. And that comes as 11.25. So 75 is the sticker price and I am getting a discount of 11.25. So when you subtract 11.25 from 75, you get 63.75. So that is what the answer was. Were you able to follow this time?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Everybody is clear, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Don't scold the teacher. It's okay. Sit down, Mandeep. No lying down on the bed while doing the class, okay? I stay in this standing position for 3 hours for teaching you guys. I want everybody to be in a nice situation, okay? Nice position actually at least. Yep. Yeah. You had a question? Did you understand this?
Yes.
Sit down properly, no. You're not on the beach. Okay. So percentage part you were understood, but I'm like a ghost who doesn't leave the kids. Meaning I will make you guys practice one more problem at least, because this is Christmas time. Christmas and New Year time. You will go and get a lot of gifts, a lot of deals. And if you don't practice, if you don't know how to calculate, you will not be able to take advantage of those deals. Now this time, I believe everybody likes Starbucks, right? Everybody goes to Starbucks. I mean, I myself don't like, but I know all the kids love Starbucks. So
Not so much me. Not so much.
that's good. Yeah, Aditi.
I got the new Starbucks hot cocoa.
That's what I'm saying. So a lot of kids like Starbucks. I mean, my kids keep asking for Starbucks, and I keep saying no. But anyways, so let's say Starbucks says that I will give you 10% discount on all the cold coffee. 10% discount on all cold coffee. Okay? So let's say hot chocolate, cold caramel macchiato. That's the name of the drink. That was coming for $7.5 before. Okay? Okay. So just one second. Okay, so on coffee, there's a 10% discount on all cold coffee, okay? So, I mean, Starbucks is offering 10% discount due to Christmas. So, if the coffee was priced at $7.5, how much you have to pay for buying that coffee? Can
Is it $7.5?
$7.5 was the price before. Now, after 10% discount, how much you have to pay?
But I never seen that happen. It's like $7.05 or something like that.
No guesswork. Calculate.
You cannot use it.
This is for babies.
I just want to do it.
Do it, but without disturbing anybody else.
$7.50.
Yeah. So yeah, Gautam.
Of the price. 0.0825. $625.
Your class is yet to start. If you want to calculate, do it silently. Yeah, Gautam.
Is the answer $6.25?
I would not know unless you have calculated.
Wait.
Yeah, Gautam.
Guys, I need to repeat. Is it $6.75?
So there is no guesswork here, okay? You calculate and you say, sir, the answer would be this because I have calculated. Otherwise, you will say, is it 6.75, maybe 6.95, 7.2? That is all guesswork. No space for guesswork. You have to calculate. So okay, just because we have only 2 more minutes and the kids from the next grade have already started coming. See, I'm reading the question again. It says 10% discount on all coffee products. That's what Starbucks is offering during Christmas and New Year. Now, the drink that used to come for $7.5, you have to find out how much you have to pay now. So, you are getting 10% discount, meaning 7.5 was the original price, you are getting some discount. And that is what you have to pay. 7.5 minus the discount amount is what you have to pay. Now look at this. This discount amount is 10%. 10% off the price. Yes, Alni. Now we have just 1 more minute to finish it off. So whoever has finished or is still trying to figure out, you have to watch me do it, okay?
I have a question right now.
I don't think I'll be able to take that question anymore because we have just 1 more minute and kids have already started coming it out. Okay? Let me finish this one first so that at least all the kids who are trying, I'll come back to your question, okay? Let's look at it. 10 by 100 into 7.5. And as I say, fraction is my best friend. I don't want to deal with decimal right now. 10 by 100 into 7.5. 7.5 I'll convert into fraction. So I'll say 7.5, 75. And then I take care of the decimal. So in place of decimal, I'll put a 1 and then I have 1 digit. So 10. This is what I have now. So 10 by 100 into 75 by 10. Shyamli, go on mute. So this 10 and this 10 I can do tic-tac-toe. What I have is 75 by 100. 75 by 100 is nothing but 75 cents. 75 cents. So basically you have a discount of 75 cents from $7.5. So 7.5 minus 75. This is what you have to pay. So Gautam, when you asked me, sir, will it be 6.75? I was tempted to say yes, but I wanted to see your way of calculation. That's why I was, not your class, wait. Let me finish and let them go. We'll start your class. So did everybody understand what I was doing?
Yes.
So Salini, what was your question? Tell me.
So it was like, you know, the numerator and the denominator of fractions, like when you divide them, is the denominator like divisor or the dividend? It's like
Don't complicate it. It's simple thing. When you have a numerator and denominator, this is the number, you have to divide by this number. As simple as that. Yeah. But before you try dividing 75 by 100, you can always do tic-tac-toe as I say, 75 becomes 50 into 5 and 100 becomes 20 into 5. This gone 15 by 20. 15 is again 5 into 3, 20 is 5 into 4. This gone 3 by 4. Much simpler numbers to deal with. Okay? Alright, so that being said, whatever we did with percentage calculation and everything, that was more of a practice for you guys. And I'll have to let you guys go because there are kids from the next level that they have already joined. And I wanted to say everybody Merry Christmas and Happy New Year because today is the last class for this year. I'll be gone tomorrow morning, no class tomorrow, and the weekend following tomorrow. So we'll see you guys on 4th of January. Enjoy your break. Make sure that you have a lot of fun during the festivals. Alright? Alright, bye bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye.